Anyways, we're going to be moving on to Fort Menace right here. So this says right here, 07 Suzuki Boulevard M109R. Just bought it like 30 minutes prior to the incident on my way home. My cousin is in the red car in front of me. So this says plan and a red stage swerve. All right, it says this guy did a good job. Let's take a look. Oh, good job with the swerve. His hand was off the handlebars. He was doing a head check. Seems to be fine. It says right here, typically people panic. Instead, Fort Menace did a great swerve at highway speeds. Look at it, four-wheeler box. You don't want to hit a box, even if it looks like it's empty. You never know. He is in the default position, located the hazard, determined it was a threat, then navigated the threat. No brown stage here. He did not poop his pants. He actually did what he was supposed to do. Look at that. Both of them did. All right, so we're going to be riding on the interstate. So we're doing interstate speeds. Let's just say, or highway speeds, you know, whatever it is you want to call it, you know, 65 to 85 miles per hour. Okay, we're hauling booty. He just got the bike. He's still learning the ergonomics. Maybe the tires are still new. Who knows? So we're going to come up to here. He's going to do a head check. You know, he's probably just getting a good look at of everything, relaxing, chilling, probably listening to music, whatever it is. And we're right here. He's not in a good position for line of sight. Yeah, he can't see around the vehicle. You want to be in a better lane position just so you can see. Part of planning is positioning for safety. And what that means is you position for good vision. So you don't have a massive line of sight breakage. You want to have really good line of sight in your position. You want to have good space cushion. You want to have at least one escape path for position for safety. So right now we're in lane position 2. Yeah, I'd be in lane position 1 because then you could see kind of like around the vehicle. But right here, all you can do is see the back of the vehicle. So you are reacting off of that vehicle reacting. That's not a good thing. Okay, you don't want to do that. You want to react off of your own vision, not off of somebody else's perception reaction. You want to react off of your own perception. So he's coming up to here. We have somebody or his buddy swerving out up front. He is just now perceiving and reacting at the same time. So here's the thing. He saw an uncommon thing. Typically somebody's like, why did he swerve? Why did this red car oh crap, and then they hit something. Here he's like, oh, my buddy just swerved. I should be swerving too. So he's perceiving an actual threat at the same time. So this is why I call him a smart rider, because he's seeking and recognizing hazardous situations. He's seeking and he recognized that something that my buddy that I know can drive is swerving. I should probably be ready for something. So he's putting his hands back on the handlebars. He's grabbing. And instead of panicking and smashing the brakes, he's like, I'm not going to be able to stop in time. I don't have a good total stopping distance. I must swerve. I need to get into red stage. I need to engage this emergency maneuver and get myself out of here. So when he does that, he swerves just to, guess what? Lane position 1. Okay, just to lane position 1. So all you really have to do is move over one lane position for something like this. You don't have to swerve all the way over here. You don't have to do that. You could swerve just a little bit over here. But he did say that I think he hit his peg, so that was extremely close. And then he just went right back in. So my foot peg smacked it. Sorry for the crackling. That's just the audio. Excited. Did a good job, Fort Menace.